Hey friends, it's Miss Jessica. Today I'm going to talk about our barn. Whoops, looks like I have a door open. Let's see what animals are inside. Our barn owl, our goat, our brown cow, ooh, our brown horse, maybe we should open up the other door. Let's open this latch. Our pink pig, our white hen. Turn the barn door around. Let's open this door. Slide the latch. Open. Oh, there they are. Our duck. Our turkey. Our goose. Open this latch. Our black and white cow. And our rooster. All right, so this is our barn with all our locks and latches. You can say this is where the animals go to sleep or where the farmers work. All right, say bye to our barn. So which animal should we go over first? Should we talk about the horse or the pig? The pig? Okay, let's do the pig. So our pig is pink, right? Makes a sound. What sound does it make? Oink, oink, oink. You're right. So there's our pig. Now should we talk about, now we're going to talk about our cows. Now these cows, one is black and white. Here's black, here's white. This is our brown cow. And they have hooves on the bottom of their feet and udders where they have milk. And the cow says, moo. Can you do it? Nice. Let's count how many legs does the cow have. He has 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 legs. And he has a long tail. Now we're going to talk about our hen and our rooster. The rooster is usually a male, which is a boy, and our hen is usually our girls. And they have feathers, and they don't fly very far. She lays eggs, and he doesn't. Say goodbye, chickens. Goodbye, hen. Goodbye, rooster. Now let's talk about, should we talk about our duck or our goose? Our goose? Okay, we'll talk about our goose. Our goose is big, and he's white, We see them fly in the sky, and they honk, 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 honk. Can you go honk, 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 honk? That's our goose. Now, should we do our duck? Now this duck has a green head and it's brown back. Now we have lots of ducks, different types of ducks. What sound does the duck make? Quack, quack. You're right. So this duck has webbed feet, which helps him swim. It means they're not separate like our fingers. They're kind of together with skin in the middle. Just kind of like our goose. Next, should we talk about our turkey or our owl? The owl? Sure. So the owl is a nocturnal animal. It only is awake at nighttime. And it flies around and it could turn his head very, very, almost all the way around. Now our turkey, what noise does a turkey make? It makes, and our turkey has lots of different feathers, and it has a beak, and usually we see lots of turkeys around what holiday? Around Thanksgiving, yeah. Now should we talk about our horse or our goat? The goat. Look, this goat has a beard and it's white. And a lot of these goats kind of live in a barn or they live on mountains. They're mountain goats. And they also have hooves on the bottom of their feet. The goat says, meh, meh. And our last animal that we have in our barn is a horse. Now this horse is a really big horse. He has strong body, so the cowboys could ride on him and the farmers. He has a nice tail and a mane. And he also has 1, 2, 3, 4 legs. What sound does the horse make? Neigh. You're right, friends. So these are animals in the barn. Now, if you have animals in your barn, you could go over what noises they make and what colors they are. Have fun playing with your farm animals, friends. Goodbye.